What's up, Jasmy? In the morning, yet in the afternoon, guys. Had the members only live stream today, so I'm coming in a little bit later here. But guys, real quick, if you want to be a part of the members only live streams on Sundays, make sure you click the join button for that. Super cheap, guys. We look at gems, we talk crypto. It's a great time, a lot of support over there. So yeah, definitely check it out. Click the join button for that, guys. Get in on these micro cap gems before they pump. I'm telling you, that's where the gains are. If you're not in the member side, I don't know what you're doing with your life, man. Um, let's have a look at Jasmy's price action here. So where do we go from here is what I'm getting asked a lot, right? We held support yesterday, or we closed above 2056, which was bullish. Guys, this is key. We have the weekly close happening this evening, right? A lot of people won't be paying attention to it because the Super Bowl's on or something. But anyway, very bullish. If we can close above, I predict a very green week next week. It might be a little bit of red on Monday or Tuesday, but I see another leg up in progress right now. So a couple things we're just going to briefly look over at the charts, guys, real quick. So if we're looking over at the daily, right? What do we see here, guys? Right? So we had this candle, we had our candle body, right? And then it wicked, which means we got some bull action, brought it, or some bear action, brought it back down, sorry. But then what we have here, we have this red candle. Now, what is this red candle here, you're asking, right? By the way, guys, we broke out of this, and we're still above the moving averages, and we're going to get into that in a few minutes. But what is this red candle here, you ask, right? So I'm going to show you guys what it means, right? And as we can see right here, it's just neutrally a neutral candle, essentially, right? Basically sideways candle, whether it's green or red, a little bit of battle from the bears, a little bit of battle from the bulls, and we end up neutral on the candle, right, guys? So even though it's red, it's not bearish. And what do we have right here? We have the next daily candle today, still in the green, guys. But what's key here, okay, so we're still bullish, guys. Bullish, up, neutral. So far, neutral green, right? We have another leg up coming, in my opinion, guys. So what comes next, you ask? Well, we'll move over. What I wanted to show you here real quick, like I said, we're above the MAs, the moving averages. That's important, right? Very, very important. We're above them on the daily, guys. So we're going to look down at the lower time frames here. We're on the 15-minute, and remember that trend lines usually start on the lower time frames and work their way up to the larger ones, right? So just below, we were above it before the trend line, sorry, the moving averages, but we're just below them now. So now we're working our way back up. Can we get past them on the 15-minute? Well, let's look over on the hourly, same thing. Just barely dipped below, but we're still holding 2057, so bullish. Can we get back up above the moving averages on the 1 hour? 4 hour, we're right on it. We're right on our orange moving average here. So can we maintain, can we move above? And as I showed you on the daily, we're still above them all, right? What are we doing on the weekly? Just a hair over two of our moving averages on the daily, but we have to come up to our blue moving average and get above that. So still bullish in my opinion, guys, as long as we don't tumble too far below our moving averages, because then we're going to be setting up resistance levels that we're not interested in having, right? So my opinion, guys, I think we're going to see Bitcoin. Now, I should have brought this up, but I didn't. I think we're going to see Bitcoin go to about $52,000. Probably go 50 next week, around 50 next week, but we're gonna top out around 52K in my opinion on Bitcoin, right? Now, why do I say this? Well, because a $52,000 Bitcoin would be about a $1 trillion market cap on Bitcoin itself, right? I think it's going to reject off of 1 trillion for the Bitcoin market cap, and then we will see a pullback after that. and we will start to see liquidity start to pour into the altcoins, guys. I think altcoins are very close to popping off. It's going to be face melting coming up, in my opinion. We're going to have a run on the alts before the halving happens, guys. In my opinion, it's going to be fantastic. What I would say, guys, if you're a DCAer, just hodl. It's all good. Those of you who want to understand that when we have an alt run, it's an opportunity to take some profits, guys. Take some stuff off the table, because the Bitcoin halving every single 4-year cycle is a sell the rumor, buy the rumor, sell the news event. So we will have a pullback at the Bitcoin halving. And then we probably won't see things start to run up until about October. I think things will start to go nuts, right? We'll really start to see that parabolic climb. So we'll go back into an accumulation phase after a pullback from the halving, right? That's how I see things playing out. Let me know what you guys think, because if Bitcoin does hit 52 up to $1 trillion market cap, the alts are going to run. Let me know, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I think that Jasmy could get back up over, I'm really hoping we can push towards a cent, but at the very least, maybe 208 would be nice. It's definitely in the cards, guys, but it's also in the cards to hit a cent. Not much resistance after 207, I think 75 is the number, something like that. Anyway, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, guys. Join the member side if you want to support the channel. You want to get in early on plays. You want to do Sundays members only live streams. All that fun stuff, guys. Check it out. Also join the Discord because it's free, and we do a lot of fun chats down there. So check out the Discord as well. Check out the channel sponsor, L Bank. Link down below. Do your spot leverage and copy trading. No KYC required. And I'll see you guys in the next one.